white chicken chili. We took a shortcut by using rotisserie chicken. 3 or 4 cups is enough, so it's a great leftover too. We're gonna start though, our big old soup pot with a large onion or 2 medium onions in a little olive oil with 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. And you let that cook till it's nice and soft and sweet. See, they're not brown, they're just kind of soft. The onions are getting translucent. Now we're gonna add our seasoning, good amount of salt, a little pepper, and then a palmful of ground cumin. So 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, stir that in. And then half a palmful of Mexican oregano. And whenever we use dried herbs, you lightly crush them in your palm to kind of wake them up. Time to go to work, wake up. So I'm gonna put in a good glug of cayenne sauce. If you're making it for a gang or you want it mild, just add a fat pinch of cayenne and you're good. Now I'm gonna give that a stir. Now we're gonna add in a quart of chicken bone broth or stock. And now we're going to add in 2 cans of white beans. So white kidney beans or cannellini beans. So lots of high fiber, affordable, quick cooking. I'm gonna let this come together a bit. Well, you know what? I'll throw the chicken in now too so we can add in the cheeses together right after this. I'm gonna stir in 2 small cans, or you could buy 1 14-ounce can, of mild green chilies to finish the white chili base. Now that's delicious. People will enjoy it even more if you basically make it taste like a jalapeno popper. So I am now going to add to our healthy pot of white chicken chili 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 4 ounces of sour cream, and 2 cups of shredded pepper jack, thus making the popper effect that we are looking for. Boop! Boom! Now we're gonna take the cheesy, tastes like a jalapeno popper, had a love child with your white chicken chili. We're gonna take that love baby and put it in a shallow bowl. Okay, the cheesy white chicken chili. So we're all on the same page, right? And then we're gonna bring it on downtown and let it hang out on the corner with Fritos. And then we're gonna get a little stupid with some mild pickled jalapenos and some green onion. And then we're gonna hit it with a little lime juice. Oh my God!